Hi, hello. I am Jackie. I am a teacher here in Florida. I've been living in the USA for almost 10 years now. So I know there's a lot of foreigners, especially European, American, Asian, wants to go to the Philippines. But there's a problem. They don't know the language. So that's why I'm thinking maybe I can teach some foreigners like the basic, like you can communicate with the ordinary Filipino, just the basic language. So understand that in Philippines there are like many languages, not many, dialects, like hundreds of them. But our national dialect or our language is Filipino, but we call it Tagalog. So that's really a Philippine is a more formal way of saying, but Tagalog is like we communicate every day. So the first thing we have, hello, this time I'm going to teach you how to say good afternoon in Tagalog. So always remember, when you say maganda, it means beautiful. Okay, just kidding. So and then when you say in Tagalog, it's hapon, it's afternoon. In English, in Tagalog is hapon. Okay, so now if you walk around and somebody greets you like magandang hapon or good afternoon, so you say magandang hapon. So maganda, we put ng again to make magandang. Magandang hapon. Hapon. Okay. Magandang hapon. Okay. Hi, hello. Now we are going to learn about greetings in the evening. So in English, beautiful, it means maganda. In Tagalog, it means evening, gabi. Okay? So we're gonna teach you how to do it. So this one, if you go walk around the evening, so you will say good evening in English and magandang gabi. So maganda, we put again ng to make it magandang gabi. So it's night. So I put the picture so that you will not get confused. Again, magandang gabi. It means good evening. You can say magandang gabi or you can say magandang gabi po. That's enough. So it's like po, meaning you are respecting them. But it's fine if they're